I just
That might
can't
be it.
score on this game, bro.
Wait, hello?
Alright.
You know what? Bro died?
Oh, he's actually dead.
Died.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Like how you do in karting, where it's like it's mostly down, then you hit it up.
Some lap them.
I need to see this. Can you post a screenshot or a picture or something? I need to see this. Share this on the screen.
We finally got a good teammate for a change in Creator Series. We love to see it. I just gave my teammate the fattest slipstream.
My
Great
teammate's only one
jokes.
place ahead of you, Hayden.
What a legend.
Thanks for the dough, man.
No worries, mate. Anytime.
How big was the toe? How are we talking?
Massive. It was massive.
Every straight?
It was a clown toe.
Guys, I'm actually gonna get exposed. My Reese piece is shit.
These tyres are the right ones. It might be time to come in and change. Five minutes time. Inters seem to be the fastest tyre for now. Right. This lap.
Slow whatever. It is slow whatever.
2-pack of ass.
Oh, you'll get it, don't you worry.
I nearly binned it.
What just happened?
Oh, you're right. Can we get it?
Too much damage.
Scott,
So what happened there, Fabio?
what happened? It's called connection.
Okay.
He's lagging. Like, what the hell just happened?
I have no idea. It looks like we just went 3 wide, and I tried to leave the space, but then Red
From my
Jokes just-
POV, it looks super goofy.
Okay, we've been given a time penalty. It will go against our finishing time at the end of the race. Get your head down and let's get it done.
Ben, you got a penalty. What are you doing?
Oh, Alex
Incident
is
on
out.
track, but officials
He's
aren't
crashing his car.
for a safety car right now. Just be careful.
You don't check. You don't check. That's really one man. Yeah.
Guangdong Tigers. Ni hao! Ni hao!
Later.
Alright, who's starting on wets?
I might start with the second time.
Yeah, that was a big mistake, bro.
Forward.
Getting boom. Oh, okay. Gonna use a friend into the back of me. I don't know what Grid Jokes just did, but he just fucking fully turned across me as if I'm not even there.
Whoa, hey.
What did I do?
Friend into the back of me.
Skillinator's coming.
Fucking hell, man. I'm finished.
No, Greyjox is going for the fucking softs. Greyjox is not gonna have DRS, at least that.
race
flag.
dog chat. Sure. Good race. Oh, that was a waste of time.
Oh my god.
Get a fast lap.
Become live. This is how you become live.
Good Jokes took fastest lap. Awesome. For fastest lap. That's my go-to teammate right there.